Hello clients, patients and colleagues. Welcome to Audiologic. Today I'm going to talk to you about hearing aids with a retention tail. Some of you may have a hearing aid, but you don't have one of these. The retention tail here can be pulled off or cut off, or perhaps you never received it in the first place. I do like to always fit a retention tail when it is comfortable and stays in the ear, because it helps to hold the hearing aid in place. Without a retention tail, the hearing aid dome can slowly come out of the ear canal over time, and you may then lose the hearing aid, or you may not be receiving the maximum volume because the dome is coming out of the ear canal. It is important when you look at the hearing aid that for the first few times you are making sure that you are curling the tail towards the back. The tail comes very straight because it is new, but over time it will curl to the shape of your ear. So it is very important that the user is curling it the correct way. Let me now show you how to insert it. Place the hearing aid on top of the ear first. Push the dome at the end of the tubing into the canal. And as you are doing that, get your thumb underneath the tail and lift it up into the bowl of the ear. The tail is curled towards the back like a backward C and sits in the bowl of the ear at the bottom. Always check in the mirror to see that the tubing is sitting flush against the face, like this, and the tail is not sticking out. If the tail is sticking out, you may not have curled it the correct way, so start again. The retention tail on the hearing aid is very helpful to hold the hearing aid in place. Please make sure you have been shown how to insert it correctly. Thank you.
Thank you for joining us. Please like and subscribe to give your support to the channel, and hit the bell icon too so that you don't miss out on the next new video. Audiologic, premium hearing care.